In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a blog website in Odoo using the demo6.odoo.com environment. This is a beginner-friendly, step-by-step tutorial that's perfect if you're just getting started with Odoo, or if you want to quickly launch a blog for your business, personal brand, or content marketing strategy. Odoo makes it incredibly easy to create and manage a blog without writing any code, and by the end of this video, you'll see exactly how simple the process is. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo and software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. To get started, open your web browser and go to demo6.odoo.com. This is one of Odoo's official demo databases, and it's great for testing features without affecting a real website. Once the page loads, you'll land on the Odoo homepage. From here, you can explore different apps and website features that Odoo offers. This demo environment already has the website app enabled, which is what we'll use to create and manage our blog. Now that you're on the homepage, look for the blog option. This is usually available directly from the website navigation menu. Go ahead and click on blog. As soon as you do that, Odoo will take you to the blog section of the website. If this is your first time visiting it, you'll notice that Odoo already provides a clean and professional blog layout by default. This means you don't have to design everything from scratch. Once you're inside the blog page, take a moment to look around. You'll see blog posts, categories, and layout elements that are already in place. To start customizing or highlighting content, click on the highlighted blog section on the page. This allows you to focus on a specific blog post or featured content. In edit mode, Odoo lets you visually customize the blog using drag and drop blocks, making it very easy to adjust the design, text, and images. From here, you can begin creating your own blog content. You can add new blog posts, edit existing ones, and customize the layout to match your brand. Odoo's blog editor allows you to add headings, paragraphs, images, videos, and even call-to-action buttons. You can also manage SEO settings like meta titles and descriptions, which is great for improving your blog's visibility on search engines. As you continue building your blog website in Odoo, remember that everything is fully integrated. Your blog can connect seamlessly with other Odoo apps like CRM, email marketing, and e-commerce. This makes Odoo a powerful all-in-one platform, especially if you plan to grow your website beyond just blogging. And that's it. You've now seen how to make a blog website in Odoo using the demo environment. As you can see, the process is straightforward, beginner-friendly, and doesn't require any technical skills. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Odoo tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.